Everyone, today I want to introduce our Quectel cobalt with you. This cobalt can be suitable for EC20, EC25, EC200, EG25, EG21, EC21 series module, and it has one micro USB connector port and one SIM card slot, and there are 3 antenna pedestals. This one is the main antenna for FPC, and this one is the GPS antenna pedestal, and this one is the division FPC antenna pedestals. And you can see from here, we can use a cable to connect it with the computer, like this way. It will automatically start working. And when the light turns on, it is okay. This is a green light and there's a blue light, another blue light. You can wait for a second and it will work. And after that, you need to download a driver. The driver, you can find it on the Quectel official website, or you can ask us for help and we will send you. And after download the driver, you can use the SSCOM software to help you test your modem, or use AT command to control the modem. And for Quectel, you need to choose the AT port, and after that you can put in the Quectel AT command, and the output will show you the result, like here. And if you want to make it to English, you can click here. Thank you.